In 1965, Warren Buffett, just 35 years old, bet everything on Berkshire Hathaway, a failing textile company on the brink of collapse. Who'd have thought that bold move would build a near-trillion-dollar empire admired worldwide? His formula sounds simple. Buy stocks in companies you understand, hold them long-term, and stay cautious. But today, as technology races forward, AI, electric vehicles, blockchain, do you ever wonder, is Buffett's buy-and-hold strategy still enough to carry you into the future? Join the Capital Compass as we explore the journey from traditional investment legends to tech pioneers, those rewriting the definition of wealth. Berkshire Hathaway is the gold standard of safety. Their portfolio, worth over $400 billion, boasts giants like Apple, Coca-Cola, and American Express, undeniable powerhouses. But by May 2025, Buffett's holding nearly $200 billion in cash, almost half their portfolio, sitting idle as inflation eats away its value. Buffett says, only invest in what you understand. That mindset saved him from the dot-com bubble in 2000 and crypto frenzies. But at what cost? He missed Google and Amazon, golden opportunities he admits were mistakes. Meanwhile, tech is soaring like a rocket. Tesla grows 35% annually, Nvidia 80%, Bitcoin 36%. First lesson? Being too cautious can be the fastest way to miss the game. Who wants to be stuck on the sidelines forever, right? The future doesn't wait for hesitators, and tech is leading the charge. Now, meet those who dared to step out of their comfort zones. Cathie Wood, the wizard of tech investing, bet on Tesla when shares were just 40, back when the world mocked electric cars. She believed clean energy would transform the planet, and now Tesla's worth billions. She also bought Bitcoin at $10,000, predicting it'll hit $1.5 million in the future. Then there's Christopher Koch, a Norwegian student who spent only $26.60 on 5,000 Bitcoin in 2009. Back then, Bitcoin was still a complete mystery. If he held on, his wealth would exceed over $260 million today. What sets them apart? They didn't follow the crowd. They researched, stayed curious, and bet big when the world doubted. Second lesson? Pioneers don't rely on luck. They rely on knowledge, persistence, and courage. Sometimes, just believing in what you understand can leave the world in awe. Cathie and Christopher prove it. The future belongs to those who dare to lead. We're at a historic turning point. AI, electric vehicles, blockchain, they're not distant dreams. They're reshaping the world every second. Buffett's strategy is great for stability, but the future belongs to those who dare to learn and adapt. You don't need billions to start. Just commit 30 minutes a day to explore a field. AI, blockchain, electric vehicles, or anything you're passionate about. Join communities, try new tools, set up a crypto wallet, read reports, learn from pioneers like Cathie Wood. Knowledge is the most powerful compound interest you'll ever own. Third lesson, the future doesn't reward those who stand still. It rewards those who take steps. Start small, pick a field today, and dive in. Who wants to miss a chance to change the world? Your decision today could be the turning point that transforms your life. Buffett mastered the past, but the future? It's in your hands. For those who see technology not just as a tool, but as a game changer. Wealth isn't just money, it's knowledge and its legacy. Will you be a pioneer, or will you sit back, watching, wondering, why didn't I start sooner? We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts below. Subscribe to the Capital Compass for practical insights, delivered every week.